Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a tactical academic review of Turbo AI, formerly known as Turbo Learn AI, to determine if this viral powerhouse genuinely represents the absolute best tool for high-stakes studying, or if it is simply a surface-level summary trap. Dominating the educational application charts with over 5 million active users, Turbo AI positions itself as a comprehensive, multimodal learning assistant explicitly engineered to automate the exhausting process of manual note-taking and exam preparation. The primary mechanical triumph of this ecosystem is its lightning-fast processing engine, which accepts a massive variety of inputs, including textbook PDFs, lecture slides, live audio recordings, and raw YouTube links, converting them into beautifully formatted, structured study packages in under 30 seconds. Rather than vomiting back flat paragraphs of text, the system crafts crisp notes, rich with automated comparison tables, highlighted definitions, mathematical equations, and structural flow diagrams that turn passive reading into an incredibly efficient visual experience. From there, the platform automatically generates custom flashcard decks and targeted multiple-choice quizzes designed to instantly trigger active recall, alongside a highly unique podcast generation feature that reads out high-level summaries of your material so you can study completely hands-free while walking or commuting. However, integrating this automated platform into your academic strategy requires a highly disciplined look at critical accuracy limitations and cognitive risks that can easily blindside you during a brutal finals week. Independent student testing reveals that the live audio transcription engine is prone to significant phonetic hallucinations, occasionally merging speakers, misinterpreting technical terminology, or inserting bizarre errors that then corrupt your generated quizzes and flashcards unless you manually cross-reference them with your core textbook. Furthermore, over-relying on the app to synthesize information for you can foster artificial confidence, as reading a clean AI summary provides a false sense of mastery that quickly crumbles when you face complex, multi-step exam questions written by human professors. Financially, while the app hooks you with a very basic restricted free tier, unlocking unlimited uploads and full quiz generation requires a premium subscription hitting roughly $10 a month, a recurring cost that budget-strained students must weigh carefully. Ultimately, Turbo AI is a spectacular time-saving triumph for structuring messy notes, generating rapid practice questions, and diagnosing immediate weak spots across concept-heavy humanities or definition-dense sciences. But if you expect the software to completely replace active problem-solving or guarantee a perfect grade without personal manual effort, the inevitable transcription errors and shallow learning loops will catch up to you. Analyze your exact weekly study volume, evaluate whether you prefer automated active recall over traditional handwritten review, and leverage this premium educational suite to optimize your personal revision velocity today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.